On a train. Yeah.
Do a train flip. On a train. He's do a train flip, bro. Do a train flip. You're doing it fast. What are you saying, man? Hurry up. The man's coming. Ah, dude. Fuck him. Who cares about him, dude? Okay, try again. That was a mean one, but how long is this thing? Excuse me. But,
Oh no, I crushed my head.
you should have done with the box on. Like, where you tuck your t-shirt and put the box on. Then bend down again. Okay, the man's clear. Oh, yeah. I can't say it, but fucking just whatever it is. Oh, what was it? I have to skate all the way home. I'm on the skate to Riversdale. I'll stop at Riversdale and skate.
That head makes me really hot. Like, I
See, the man hasn't even come yet. Me. What's this for? Tell me. Tell me, but it's fine.
Wait, don't do this.
Yeah. That's all?
All good. Rewind. Hey, you again.
Hey, don't stop it.
Right, you go back for your foot. Why do you call me Reed?
Because it's your bet test. You're a little bet test. Ah.
Like, that was like.
And you're like, ah.
Headshot.
Do you want a hiding can?
Headshot.
Your headshot.
Bro, I'm trying to roll up to like a police station and be like, oh yeah, I'm playing concerts on the live room.
we should skate in it. One day.
That'd be great. Like, no.
Look at Tomo.
My KD's like 3.6.
Look at Tomo with the scooter, bro. Why is he even with us? Like, dude.
Okay.
Can I have this helmet? Like, gay. Oh, my one's the next stop.
Where are you going now?
Yeah.
Do you live there?
Yeah. Emmondale's pretty gay shit. Should just go to Green Bay. Go to Green Bay. Come Green Bay next year. Yeah? Emmondale's bored.
And will you go to Emmondale?
You know Sam? The pro skater?
Christy.
Nah. Yeah.
Oh,
You do this now. Texas, Riverside,
Yeah.
Wait, Sam or Sean?
The one that was that day, yeah. That.
Sean.
That's him.
bro, it's like a
Yeah, Luke.
you pay like,
Oh, Sam.
you pay like 40 bucks.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I
head down, 40 bucks.
Honestly, it's pretty neat. I flipped the gear first off.
Yeah.
He's a man. He trade flip off the half pipe.
He's probably the next one.
Yeah, he almost got bumped at the beginning. He gave up skating.
I don't know, I did on video.
Holy shit! I'm still filming.
It's called Spoon Bake Karaoke Bar.
Hey. What? Met thuis. Oh, dat is hey, maar het wacht door, man. Nou, maar dat is super veel, man. What the fuck old generation? Are we? Oh.